Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by creating an isolated environment so packages don't conflict. First, create and activate a virtualenv in your project folder, then install Pandas and ipython with pip. Once done, open VS Code, install the Python and Jupyter extensions, and select the interpreter from the bottom status bar. Make a new script file and register the kernel if prompted. This gives you reproducible runs and full IDE support for auto-completion, linting, and running cells inline. Now focus on reading and understanding your dataset. Use Pandas. Read CSV with dtype and parse dates to ensure correct types and load a small sample first. Then inspect the frame with df head, df info, and df describe to find missing values and type issues. Once you know the layout, apply transformations, filter, groupby, pivot, while using the interactive window or Jupyter cells in VS Code to iterate quickly. Make sure to save intermediate results and monitor memory usage for large files. Finish by exporting your clean data frame to CSV or Parquet for downstream use. Choose Parquet for smaller typed storage. Commit scripts and requirements. TXT to Git so your environment is reproducible. If you package or deploy, test the same interpreter version. And if something breaks, first verify VS Code is using the correct virtualenv and Python interpreter, then check Pandas version compatibility and any import errors. That single troubleshooting check resolves most issues and gets you back to productive work quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.